Okay, so the cab compartment is pretty standard, nothing to get too excited about. The nice thing is you've got both seats that swivel round. So there's a lever on the left hand side of the driver's and right hand side of the passenger seat, and it swivels around, giving you the ability to eat around the table, which with that use that lever there moves backwards and forwards to suit your requirements. So here we have the galley area. If you just take out these shelves, these covers which become shelves, and you've then got a very nice sink there, and also you've got the hob there and the oven below. All the instruction books are in the cupboards below. There's storage space here, and there's also storage space here. Chemical toilet, so basically you use the toilet as you'd expect to, but what you must do is must ensure that the lever is to the right when you use it. So right when you use it, and then when you're finished, leave it to the left, and it closes off the cassette which I showed you a short while ago. So obviously avoiding any smell coming back in, or when you're driving, any waste coming back up into the actual bowl itself. And there's a flush button there. So here we have the bathroom. You've got a shower with a shower cubicle which comes around by unlatching it there, and also the sink with further storage underneath. So in the main bedroom area, we've got 2 small wardrobes and 2 storage areas. The double bed, obviously all been laid out for you. We have 2 TVs in the motorhome, one in the main bedroom and one in the main living area. Just be aware that you'll need to reprogram them once you get to your destination, as they're currently programmed for Kent, which might not be the case wherever you're going to go for your trip. So this is a 4-berth motorhome. So you've just seen the double bed, and this is the second double bed, which comes down at the end of your day, and a bit predictable, but that's where it goes. At that level there's a set of steps or ladders in the boot for you to use, and then when you're done in the mornings you can then put it away for the rest of the day. Right, so this is the fridge. As you can see, you've got 2 fridge compartments, one at the middle, one at the bottom, and then a freezer compartment at the top. When you get into your motorhome, just turn it on to A, means automatic. What it does, it finds the most cost-effective energy supply, which is currently the gas at the moment, and it's using gas. So they have it on A, and that will do whatever it needs to be done in the most cost-efficient way. So this is the control panel, and it controls all the facilities within the actual motorhome itself. First of all, we've got some lights. So they're the compartment lights, and you've got a light for the outside above the door, and then you've got the water pressure which needs to be built up, so that turns on the water pressure. This one here shows the temperature within the motorhome itself, which is currently 19 degrees, and this one here shows the level of fresh water you have, which is currently showing 0%. But when you put your water in, you'll get to the level of 100% obviously, and it comes down in 3 increments: 66, 33 and 0%. Finally, these 2 buttons here show the battery life and battery condition of, firstly, the truck itself, or the actual vehicle, at 12.7, and then B2 denotes the living accommodation, which is also 12 volts, which will go to 13.2 when it's fully charged. So this is the main control for the heating and the water within the motorhome. You press to turn it on, and you've got 4 different icons there. The first icon is the motorhome, so press that, and the actual system is off, and this will now build up the temperature within the motorhome to a maximum of about 30 degrees if you choose to. I'll turn that off. So that's now off. The second icon is the water temperature. Again, it's now flashing. Press it, it's currently off, and then you've got eco, which is the normal setting, or hot if you need a lot of water for a whole big family. Again, you have to press the button to actually activate the setting that you want. Thirdly, this is the power. So we really tell our people to do two things, either gas if you're standalone, or electric 2 if you're hooked up to a mains feed on a campsite. And finally, that's just a fan. The fourth one is a fan if you choose to increase the power. And that's it. That's all you have to worry about.